just because today is Thursday, let's make tapioca biscuits. So yummies, welcome to this channel. My name is Yummy Cash, and as you read by the title, we are making tapioca cookies or tapioca flour biscuits. Now in this bowl, I add in 1 cup of coconut milk, and to it I added some vanilla essence, and now I am adding in some butter. Now I'm going to mix it, and the mixing should not be too smooth. Like, you can melt the butter and add it to it, but then if you don't have anything to melt or you're in a hurry, you can as well do it as I am doing. Now I add in about about half cup of sugar, and I'm going to leave everything, the measurement, down in the description for reference. I added in some grated nutmeg to it, and I try mixing everything together. So now time to add in the tapioca flour, and I'm going to be adding it bit by bit. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Yummy Cash, and on this channel we do food related inspirational videos. So if you're interested, kindly go through most of the videos that I have on this channel, and if it interests you to join, why not subscribe and then hit the bell icon so you don't miss any videos I upload. And see your reference, I upload videos every Mondays and Thursdays. So after adding all the tapioca flour, I add in half cup of all-purpose flour, and then with my hand I'll combine everything to get a very smooth dough. So once I have achieved that smooth dough, you can shape it in any form that you want. That is one method of shaping or cutting your dough into your biscuit. You just put it in a rubber and then roll it flat. Then with the help of a cutter, you cut it into your desired sizes, or you can use biscuit cutter, but then make sure to dip it in a flour before using it, so cut your dough into your biscuits. So after cutting it, I'll use a fork to make some marks on top of it. You don't have to if you don't want. You can use anything, coriander, to give that design on top of it, like anything basically. And then this is the second one that I love to do, which is very easy to do. I rub some flour in my palm and then take some of the dough, roll it into a ball, and then put it in my baking tray. This is the simplest and the easiest that I find. Now after adding it, putting it in your tray, I'll flatten it a little bit, and with the biscuit, I will say designer I found online, and then design the top of it nicely. Now you can use anything at all to make that design on. So after the design, I bake it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees, and this is what we are having. It's so perfect, tastes so good and heavenly. You try your hands on at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful, And if it is, kindly like this video and feel free. It is free to share. Share it out to your family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy cashews.